Samsung has launched the Galaxy A07, and it's easily the most spec-heavy phone in Samsung's budget series. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. What makes the A07 stand out? For starters, it's the first budget Samsung phone to feature the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, a performance leap for budget users, offering significantly better CPU and GPU power compared to past models. And unlike most phones in this range, Samsung is promising a whopping 6 years of OS and security updates, with Android 15 and One UI 7 right out of the box. Not only this, the A07 will also have 6.7-inch PLS display with HD Plus resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate coupled with improved touch response. It also gains an IP54 rating, offering basic dust and splash resistance. If we talk about storage, the phone supports up to 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, and even allows micro SD expansion up to 1TB. You'll also find a 3.5mm headphone jack, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.3. All this will run with a 5000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging. But the camera setup is the same as the last phone, which was a 50-megapixel main sensor, 2-megapixel depth sensor, and an 8-megapixel selfie cam, with video maxing out in 1080p at 30 frames per second. Nothing groundbreaking though, but the price is low too, so we can't complain. It's available in green, light violet, and black. The Galaxy A07 is turning heads with its impressive list of features at a rock-bottom price. You'll be shocked to hear this too, but this phone's available at a price tag of just $86. In short, the Galaxy A07 is shaping up to be the most feature-rich budget phone Samsung's ever made, and it might just change the game for entry-level smartphones. What do you think about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.